up, it's me Ali here, and today we are making a really cute Easter egg decoration, so let's go. So the first one is just some little Easter egg hanging decorations. So what you want to do for this is you want to get your paper. So I've got this one, and if you turn it over you got this. So you can use 2 bits, 1 bit, whatever you want. And today I'm just going to be using this bit, and you can use this. You can use any type of paper that you want. So first thing is you want to get an egg template, which I've got here, and it's just a bit of cardboard cut out and stuff. And then you want to get your pencil and you want to trace however many egg shapes you want. You can do 4, 6 or 8. So I'm going to do 6 on this one, and yeah. And now you want to get some scissors and you want to cut it around. And now what you want to do is you want to, I've got 4 others here. I'm going to make a 6 bundle. At least 6 or more. 4 works if you want to do just a little tiny egg. But yeah, so now what you want to do is you want to fold them in half, pattern way that you want showing in. So I tried to make my patterns, and I'm going to try and measure it up, which is probably the hardest part for me because I always failed trying to do the other ones. So you really just want to try and get them half neat. Okay, you guys, now you want to arrange them into your order. So the top bit of the egg is facing up. So I'm going to do that on all of them. You guys, now you want to get some double-sided tape. You can probably get this anywhere. And you want to now get your egg and you want to put some double-sided tape on the bit like this. Just on like that, and you want to take it off, and you want to make sure you've got your top up the top. You want to get your other bit in your pattern, and you want to just squish them together like this. You want to make sure it's as neat as you can possibly get it, and how I try to make it neat is get the crease in like this, because it doesn't really matter about the outside looking, because it just, when you have it hanging up like up here, you can't really see it, so you want to get the creases as matched up as possible, and you want to repeat this step until you have all of them done. I'm putting my last one on, and now this is the part where you've got to watch carefully. So when you put it on, so you just want to put it on like this, like we've done on all the other ones. I'm going to rip it off, put this bit here, like that. And now when you attach this one, you want to make it like normal. Let me try. But we don't attach the end bit together to make a full egg. So what you want to do now is you want to get your ribbon. I'm going to use blue this time. I use green up there. And what you want to do is you want to get not too much, not too little, and you want to get about as much, I guess, and you want to fold it in half and do a knot. I don't know if this is too small, too big, or yeah, I think this might be a bit too small. I got my ribbon again, and you want to, cut it fairly big, not too big, not too small, maybe about here. Oh gee, it's a little bit. This is probably enough. Like, you want it to be not too big, like I said. And now you just want to match it, and you want to do knot. I don't know what this knot's called, but you want to do your knot however you like it. And I'm just going to do it where you do this, then you flip it through, You bring the two pieces full like this. Yeah, actually that wasn't too small, one I chopped away. Don't know where he went now. But you just want to do it like this. And now when you attach it, gotta find where you need to attach it, which is here for me. You're going to put your double-sided tape. Where is he? Alright, so now you want to get your double-sided tape and you want to get it and put it in the middle here. Try and get it as in the middle as possible. Then you want to pull it off and you just want to add your ribbon in like so. And then you just want to give it a little squeeze. Try and make sure it's in the middle as possible like this. And now you want to attach the end bit now in. So you just want to get your double-sided tape like before and put it on your egg, and I'm just going to put the leftover bit over here so they stick very well together. Just got to peel that off and peel the next bit off, and there you go, you guys. Now you just want to squeeze that together and you have made your egg. You just want to pull it out and there you go, you guys. It looks so cool and effective. Now I'm going to make a bunch of more of these and I'm going to hang it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing stuff. Bye guys!